The Industrial Revolution was a period of significant economic, social, and technological change that took place between the mid-18th and mid-19th centuries. It is generally agreed that the Industrial Revolution began in Britain in the late 18th century, but it quickly spread to other countries in Europe and North America. During the Industrial Revolution, there were several key developments that transformed the way people lived and worked. The first and most important of these was the widespread adoption of steam power, which replaced manual labor and animal power as the primary source of energy. This led to the development of new machines and factories, which in turn led to the growth of large-scale industry. Another key development of the Industrial Revolution was the expansion of transportation networks, particularly the construction of canals and railroads. These improvements made it easier to transport goods and raw materials, which facilitated trade and spurred economic growth. The Industrial Revolution also saw the growth of urbanization, as people moved from rural areas to cities in search of work. This led to the development of new forms of housing and the growth of a working class, which in turn led to social and political changes.